it's me, KK. I'm gonna show you how to make black bean tostadas with a twist.
Here I'm spreading black beans, go veggie, cheese, and yellow onion. With the black beans, you want to soak it 24 hours before. Here I'm spreading my version of the Mexican slaw made out of carrots, red cabbage, cilantro, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and Himalayan salt to taste. This is salsa fresca made out of heirloom tomatoes, cilantro, yellow onion, Himalayan salt, and serrano peppers. Squeeze a little bit of lime, and last we'll drizzle my concoction of crushed cashews, shredded coconut, and yacon syrup.